ni gobono uyu kabiri umuna chevi na omonene umukoro aiga asensi ya Kenya umusike David Maraga agenderere gusingirira buna iganga yaye yogucha kuboria ikirego kyobura ebwensi asobochori obonene bori bosyo bado ne genderete ayaiga nigo akoya kwana chingaki cyo kuigora chiabisi che conference ya Nyamira ne kirobono anyarire kurwa esegeto gucha ase Omogusii ko cha amo na bwego kwenekia omorembe ase chingaki chonsi ase omoyigo yoyo nigo omwarimu monene weskuru y'abanyaroka ya Sironga nere anyara kuboria buna abantu banyare kuba abaitongo na bwego abakwarigania abageni chingaki chonsi omuseketo Fatgad Kisemba na twariganiria roboti ro sinchira ekobwatia
Hekanisa nigo yaburiwe koba umustari obusyo ase ogusabira ense eryo koreta omorembe naigo abarayi bechikanisa baburiwe nabarabwo korokya umubwekano umuya aso koreta abakristo bonzi asobwamo natari okubagekana gatiabo naboigo chisegi.
Let us remain in the service of the Lord with genuine dedication. There is some spirit that has come of late, and I want to ask our members, the God we serve is one, and the organization of this church is one. It is the same from the general conference to the local church. So please, let us maintain that kind of order. This spirit of infighting and factions may not be acceptable, especially in the Christian family, and more specifically in the Adventist church. So be very careful, because at times Satan can wear a suit and come to the church like this to divide the people of God.
Ukwana boigo kurase conference ya Nyamira ekero yoko igora chiabisi chine che conference ejeiga nigo abarai be conference ejeiga boigo basabirwe kwenana obokoreri ase abegeni.
Today to see a complete project that is going to be dedicated for the purpose of serving God. To our great pastors, once you are done with dedication, when we come there as your members, serve us until we feel the presence of God. So that when we leave here, we say, today I went to the headquarters. Not only did I meet and get the services I wanted, I also felt the presence of God.
Omayega oyoiga nigo oikiranwa no yokabeiro munachi ebina omukoro aiga imeyensi ya Kenya David Maraga oyo orokirie erango yekerogo kyoburai obanene bwense ase asingereire buna Omogusii amubwatesie goseta mubwatesia no akare etebe
abori untenene kerogo ekanene abandu bagona kurijita ngotenguwa iganga Maraga egasi aya tiga arandi okorandi woka ngo watebinga okorandi ndi okorandi kurwase mini pulpit yoka to okorandi kurwanda onsi so igo nkoba debianga na bori wenkore gasi eyo na ande gasi enkonya korande Yonta gete ko basaba mongo koboko nama saba inu nabora kana aye lakini tari ayabuye ko kuja wake kureyo abantu bagwaka nabange
na ensemo ya siasa ya Nyamira nigo moske worta chanua asingereire buna obochori obonene bori bosyo nigo oburai oboya uganairie imeye county ya Nyamira.
And ultimately, because I am a Christian but again a politician, I'm asking you to remember that we need the service for the people that is guided by the Spirit of the Lord. So in the next 805 days, are you not hearing what I'm saying?
Hingo reporter Getembe kurase conference ejeiga ya Nyamira ejegotoka ime ya ward ya township ebunge ya West Mugirango Fatgad Kisemba.